What is an LDW or a CDW when it comes to a rental car? And is it worth it? Do you need it? We're going to answer that for you today. Or we're going to help you answer that for yourself, because really the only one that can come up with the answer that's right for you is you. So we'll help you understand it. We'll help you understand if it's a good idea for you or if it's not. And while we're talking about cars and the insurance that you need to drive them, it's a good time to tell you to go to FreeAdvice.com. You can go to their homepage or any of the articles they have, and you can enter your zip code and compare auto insurance premiums today for free and possibly save hundreds of dollars a year. I am on the III.org website. They are the Insurance Information Institute, and they have a lot of very helpful educational material out there for people looking at insurance. And we're looking at loss damage waivers or collision damage waivers. Same thing. So if you see CDW or LDW, it's the same thing. Let's read III's definition. Loss damage waiver, also referred to as a collision damage waiver. An LDW is not technically an insurance product. It is designed to relieve or waive renters of financial responsibility if their rental car is damaged or stolen. Waivers may also provide coverage for loss of use in the event the rental car company charges for the time a damaged car cannot be used because it's being fixed, as well as towing and administrative fees. The LDW may become void if the accident was caused by speeding, driving on unpaved roads, or driving while intoxicated. However, if you carry comprehensive and collision auto insurance, you may already be covered for damage to a rental car. So a loss damage waiver, it's kind of the extra on top of the auto insurance. And it basically makes sure that you don't have to pay anything if a car that you're renting is damaged. So it's top tier. It's not necessarily an insurance policy. It's a waiver that waives your financial responsibility if something happens to a rental car while you're renting it. It's usually the most expensive option that they give you when it comes to auto insurance, but it provides a lot of peace of mind. So is it right for you? You have to look at your situation to decide. If you're renting a car for a day, it may be worth paying that extra. If you're renting a car for a month, it's a little bit harder to justify that daily rate of having that coverage because it's going to be expensive. And the longer you rent a car, the more days you have, the more expensive that loss damage waiver is going to be. So here at FreeAdvice.com, this article on a collision damage waiver says similar things. It's not a type of insurance. It's a waiver of the rental agency's insurance for those who have other collision coverage of their own. The rental company charges a small fee for CDW, and small fee is relative. A small fee, you might think a small fee is $1 a day. The rental company may say that a small fee is $10 or $20 a day. So it is relative. And that means that you won't have to pay the high deductible amount should the rental car be wrecked or damaged. Don't overpay for insurance. You may be wondering, what does insurance have to do with a collision damage waiver or loss damage waiver? Well, it actually has a lot to do with it, because if you have comprehensive and collision insurance on your own vehicle, it kind of reduces your need for an LDW or CDW, depending on your rental agency that you're using. And so you can get that coverage for your own personal car And you may be able to save by going to FreeAdvice.com, entering your zip code, answering some questions, and getting a bunch of insurance quotes to compare. Now, some questions to ask yourself. Do you need a CDW? Well, it's possible that your credit card may have a similar type of coverage included on it if you use that card to pay for your rental car. So don't pay for a CDW if you're already getting that coverage from your credit card. You can look up the benefits of your card on your card's app or log into your account online and check. And if you just can't figure it out, give customer service a call and ask them what your credit card offers. Some credit card companies let you opt into very comprehensive coverage by paying a fee that's usually quite a bit less than the insurance company would offer that coverage to you. Also ask yourself, where are you covered? Before renting a car anywhere, check your policy to make sure you're covered. Now in the US, your coverage that you have in your personal car usually will extend to a rental car. But that's not how it works when you're going to a different country and renting a car. So perhaps in the US, you may decide not to get a CDW. But if you're traveling to Europe, you may decide, yes, I do need the CDW because I really don't have much insurance coverage carryover, if any, usually none at all. So let's look at these case studies. This will help you kind of see how you would fit in. Case study number 1. In this case study, we will explore the importance of rental reimbursement insurance. So Sarah owns a car and has comprehensive auto insurance policy. Unfortunately, her car gets severely damaged in an accident. During the repair process, Sarah needs a temporary replacement vehicle so that she can do her daily activities. Luckily, her auto insurance policy includes rental reimbursement insurance, which provides her with a daily allowance for renting a car. With this coverage, Sarah can rent a vehicle without worrying about the financial burden while her car is being repaired. Case study 2, rental car insurance and collision damage waivers. John is planning a vacation and decides to rent a car to explore the destination. He already has a personal car insurance policy, but he doesn't know if it covers rental cars. To make sure he's adequately protected, John contacts his insurance company to inquire about rental coverage. The insurance agent informs him that his policy includes coverage for rental cars, eliminating the need to purchase additional rental car insurance. So now he can enjoy his vacation without purchasing extra insurance, knowing that his coverage for his personal car will extend to his rental car. And case study number 3. This is talking about your credit card and coverage. Maria is going on a business trip and needs to rent a car at her destination. She doesn't own a car and she doesn't have personal auto insurance. However, she remembers that her credit card provides additional auto insurance for rentals. So before finalizing the rental agreement, Maria checks the terms of her credit card and discovers that the CDW is included. This coverage gives her peace of mind while driving the rental car, knowing she is protected against any potential damages or accidents. So you can see how your personal insurance ties in with needing a CDW, how a credit card ties in with needing a CDW. And if you have a car, you need insurance. So go to FreeAdvice.com, enter your zip code, answer some questions, get quotes, and see if you could be saving money on your car insurance. And if you learned something today about a CDW or LDW, let us know what you learned. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this with your friends, people that are taking trips, because it's important to understand what's worth paying for and what's not worth paying for. And so your need of a CDW will vary depending on the type of insurance you have, the type of credit card you have, and maybe how long you're going to be renting a car or where you're going to be renting a car.